Good morning, welcome to this vlog. Doesn't feel like a Sunday, but it is a Sunday. I think it doesn't feel like it because I didn't sleep in. I got up at like 7. I'm tired. But no time for a nap today, as you can probably tell by the title. We have a busy, important day, spring cleaning. Yeah, I'm like, Gretchen, it's spring, you gotta do it. I really need to go through my closet and just like all of the things I own more often because, so you guys know and see, I buy a lot of stuff, I get sent a lot of stuff, so I just have way too much stuff. And especially since we're gonna be in Boston all summer, I really need to downsize or else packing is just gonna be a freaking nightmare. So we have a lot to go through today. Cleaning to do in general. My apartment's like dirty and Brody hair everywhere, so I have a lot to do. I just finished Orange Theory. I feel like every single time I start a vlog, it's like right here in this parking lot outside of Orange Theory. But we did it. I like making myself go at like 7 or 8 to just literally get me out of bed and like get my day going. So we did it. We're exhausted and it's not really a restful Sunday. I gotta get moving. I got stuff to do. All right, first order of business, vacuum time. I came home, showered obviously, got all ready, did my makeup. Didn't even tell you guys, but we're having a little intermission of the spring cleaning day to go to brunch with my girlfriends. So that is in like 30 minutes. So before then, well, I leave in 30 minutes. I'm gonna vacuum. Okay, let's do it. Okay, it's actually way later. Big change of plans. Brunch was way longer than I thought. And then I actually broke another nail. One of my nails is broken. I think I said in my last vlog. I was gonna wait till next weekend to do it. And then another one broke and it was like very painful. My middle finger one broke and my ring finger one were both broken and the middle finger one was really painful. Anyway, my nail place was like right near where I went to brunch. So then I went and did that after and then, yeah. So it's like way later. That was like an all day thing and I thought it was only gonna be like a quick intermission. So my motivation is like feeling low. Also, I'm realizing I feel literally naked because I didn't put on my rings. But honestly, it's good I didn't since I went and got my nails done. I hate when like lotion gets in there and stuff, you know, but I have been, I think I was showing my last vlog. See, now I'm procrastinating and just getting chatty because I don't wanna clean like I told myself I was gonna today. But I was saying, I showed that I've been doing the 2 holes again, doing 2 hoops, which I feel like I always used to do these 2 together and would do first hole and second hole. And I feel like I hadn't put any of my second hole in so long, but I've been liking that again. I don't want to clean. The thing we're gonna do to procrastinate this cleaning is switch my phone case. Since at brunch the girls are being so cute, they're like, that's the cutest phone case, we love it. It's like case 5, of course. This one with peaches all over it. I actually haven't changed this since before I went to Hawaii, so it reminded me to switch it. Honestly, I'm switching it to this Brody phone case because, well, one, it's my favorite because there's Brody's all over it, but I've just been missing it. And honestly, when people are like, oh, you have a dog, I want to see your dog, or what kind of dog, or whatever, I like to just be like, look at it, there he is, look at all the pictures of him. Just like customize one with all these photos of him. Like their grid photo case is my favorite. But I just want to shout out Casefy for sponsoring this video. You guys know, only phone cases I'll ever put on my phone. They're so dang protective. If you're wondering, the impact case is my favorite because it's so slim while still being so protective. It has a Chi-Tech 2.0 technology that is just super durable. Your phone will be protected for drops up to 9.8 feet. Clearly, I wish that I had a Casefy phone case when I first got this phone because the day after I got it, I had no phone case on and shattered it. So now my Casefy phone cases keep my phone protected from other drops and protect me from getting glass in my fingers. So don't be like me and make sure, especially if you're getting a new phone, that you get a Casefy phone case. I know the Impact and Ultra Impact cases are actually made up of 65% recycled and plant-based materials, which is amazing. And all of their cases are 100% non-toxic, non-hazardous. They actually have an antimicrobial coating that just keeps your phone case germ-free, killing 99% of bacteria. They have endless print options, design options, so there's so much to choose from, and I know my link for them stayed the same. So if you guys go to casefy.com/Gretchen, you'll get 15% off your Casefy order, your new favorite phone case. That'll be linked down below. Now I'm all set when people are like, show me your dog. Boom. There it is. See, I'm not procrastinating too much. Okay, now we have to clean. Oh, Brody, come hang out with me. Come look. Look at this phone case. It's all for you because I love you so much. I'll find like any way to procrastinate, guys. Let's just cuddle and hang out and not do our spring cleaning, huh? You can probably hear though the washer going. I did start a load of laundry, so that's pretty good. Hi. Did you miss me while I was at brunch? Yeah, I think you did. I think you really did. Okay, first off, apologies. I feel like the lighting is always so difficult over here. Like, it's really not that good. It's just like dark over by our closets. Okay, this is the hardest task. So we're starting with this first. Like the bathroom, stuff like that, it's not as hard. The clothes are just always my issue, huh, bro? You can't really get by here, can you? Hang on, buddy. Oh man, I just have such a hard time letting go of clothes, but really gonna focus on, does it bring me joy? Does it spark joy? Isn't that the Marie Kondo method? It has to spark joy, Brody, and if it doesn't spark joy, it has to go. Cluttering our lives, and we're not gonna be here this summer, so we need to downsize, okay? Okay. Oh man, yeah, okay. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna be strict this time, even though I haven't been any other time. And I'm gonna make a give to my twin sister Lucy pile, a set aside for friends to look through pile, a donate pile. Occasionally I do a sell pile if it's like brand new with tags. I wore it once. I think you guys would really like it type of thing. But yes. Okay, let's do it, bro. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it this time. Okay, let's be strict, buddy. Does it spark joy? I think this is cute and I really like it and I've barely worn it, but I wouldn't say it sparks joy. Okay, nope, you know what, no. We're being strict this time. You guys, I'm literally shocked. What the? Whoa. Oh no. Okay, it may not look that different, but look at how many hangers I just freed up. And I'm the queen of running out of hangers because I always have so many clothes. I don't even think you can see the piles on the ground. But can you see that I can actually move things now? I mean, only a little, but like before I could not even move anything. I know I've just said it like 100 times, but seriously, if you ask yourself the question, does this spark joy? Like, that is pretty high criteria for something. It has to make you smile. It has to make you be like, wow, that's my favorite shirt. I love it. And so many of these things I felt like I was keeping because I'm like, oh, it's white. I love white. I'm always wearing white or black or gray, and it's like a good basic. But it's like, does it spark joy? I have other basics, you know? Like my exercise dress, my little romper, these spark joy. This I wore literally today sparks joy. This I don't think sparks joy, but this is just very useful. Now I'm going through each thing one by one. This is so useful. I bring it on every vacation. It's like a little cardigan. I thought, like, I can't get rid of that. These definitely spark joy. This does. I've been wearing these. Okay, all my jackets spark joy is the issue. I like all of these. Okay, maybe, you know, for example, I have these two aloes that, no, I like both. Oh gosh, okay. I'm getting out of my vibe of getting rid of things because I love both of these. Like this I wear more because it's like more neutral. Then I was gonna say, okay, maybe the purple doesn't spark joy, but this one I got more recently and I still really like wearing it as a set. But I think this one sparks joy more than this one. We're hitting a standstill. But I did really good. Like, I wish you guys could see how big the piles are on the ground. Okay, we're gonna think this over and we will come back to this when I'm feeling like I can get rid of things again. It's the next day and we are tackling the dresser. There's like no room between my bed and the dresser to really set you guys up to get a good view, but again, we need to do this before I lose motivation. It's always me like shoving things. I'm like really, like this top one, I don't even know if you guys can see really. Literally so jammed. It used to be my t-shirt drawer, then some sweatpants started ending up in here. Like, you can't move anything. So this all needs a clean out so bad. See, like sports bras get caught, everything. gets like, yeah, see my shorts. And I even have like little dividers in here. I try to fold them nice. When you have too much, see, these don't even fit in there right now. Oh, the leggings. Oh, you know it's bad when other pants start to spill over into categories that they're not even supposed to be in. Literally won't open. All the jeans. Okay, we can do it. I like never want to do this. I never feel like doing this because it just seems daunting, but I really, really have to because it affects my everyday life, not being able to like open my drawers with ease or like find something I'm trying to find, you know? Okay, here we go. Brody's opinion. Does this still spark joy? Will you wear it? Oh, this is so hard. But I like it. It's cheetah. Okay. Yes or no? Blink once for yes. Blink twice for no. Really not helping me out here. I'm freaking exhausted from all of this like cleaning out, going through things. I don't know why I'm feeling like literally so drained. But my last main order of business, like little things like kitchen drawers, our desk drawers, those aren't that bad to begin with, so that'll take max in me like 5 seconds. And like this closet just has towels. There's probably like some random stuff, but this as you can see, stresses me out. It's a big headache, and I'm sure half of it I don't use, and I like really need to go through it. And I feel like I do sometimes, but I'm just not that good at getting rid of things. I've definitely gotten better with the clothes this time. Like I've said it how many times in this vlog I said it does spark joy. But again, like I said the other day, I'm like, that is such a high criteria of something to spark joy. Like it has to be really freaking good to, you know what, I'm thinking it's sort of like in my mind, it's like it has to be so good and beneficial for you that it's worth it taking up space. Because to me it turns into clutter, which turns into my brain can't think straight, and it's like too much. So, here we go. Okay, let's do it. This may not look much better. However, I did clean out a bunch and there's a method to my madness now. I also feel like no matter how much you clean through these acrylic drawers, you're always gonna be able to see what's inside, so it's never gonna look like really neat. Like if all of these were, I don't know, a different color and all you saw was that and like the stuff on top, it would be better. But anyway, this is like my body drawer, like tanner, body wash, body lotion, hair drawer, like a bunch of hair stuff. This has face makeup in the back and then just lip balms in the front. This has eye makeup and why can't I think of the word? Like lip liner, lip gloss, lipstick. Yeah, up there is travel size stuff. This is just like a Cetaphil lotion that I'll grab if my skin is feeling really dry, so I leave that up here. Little flossers and little coconut oil that I also reach for a bunch. Now I just have all my lotion in one spot right there. What was really monumental was all my perfume was so cluttered sitting out, and I was able to clear out a drawer with everything I cleaned out and put all my perfume down there. And then right here, sorry, I'm like exhausted. I don't know why this makes me so freaking tired. And here is face masks. And up here is like face serums, oils, stuff like that. I have my makeup wipes up there that I grab for a lot, and then my cleanser that I use every night. So I just keep those like accessible because I can just open and grab them. Whew, okay, that felt good that we got that over with. All right, I don't think you guys are even ready for the final reveal of all the clothes we cleaned out for my spring cleaning, closet clean out. I have them all laid out on the couch right here. Even when I don't think it's that much, it really adds up to a lot because I just have so many clothes. Okay, look at this. Like, are you kidding me? This is so many clothes. I still have to go through. Honestly, I'll probably just let my sister look through all of it, see if she wants to take anything. Whatever she doesn't take, then I can separate into like, it's brand new, if I've worn it once, has tags, sell it. If not, make my donate pile. When I was first taking stuff out of my closet, cleaning out my closet with like, taking stuff off the hangers, I think I was telling you guys I was making separate piles for like Lucy, donate, sell. But now I'm just, yeah, it's all just one huge pile. Like, look at all of this. Wow. I would say this is a successful spring cleaning. I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I accomplished everything I wanted to for spring cleaning. I hope that this was entertaining to watch, or at least inspiring a little bit. Hope you guys are doing some spring cleaning of your own, because I just feel like so affected by my environment. So if it's cluttered, I feel cluttered, my mind feels cluttered, and so it feels good to just have a refresh, clean out your closet, and that way you just have less things, less to think about when you're getting dressed, picking out an outfit, stuff like that. Sorry if this vlog was a little bit shorter, but yeah, I just want it to be dedicated to spring cleaning. So love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.